Okay, here is this week's spelling list. You may hit pause after each word so you have time to write it down. Number 1, absolutely. Absolutely, you will finish your slide this week. Absolutely. Number 2, deliberate. Number 3, accurately. He calculated his math accurately. Number 4, approximately. We will finish school approximately at the end of May. Approximately. Number 5, compatible. That program is not compatible with Google. Compatible. Number 6, unavoidable. Doing homework is unavoidable. Number 7, unmistakable. His beard made him unmistakable. Number 8, suitable. Your Choose Your Own Adventure needed to be suitable for younger grades. Suitable. Number 9, particularly. He wasn't particularly fond of science. Particularly. Number 10, deliberately. He deliberately forgot his homework. Deliberately. Number 11, vaguely. He vaguely remembered what he did in January. Vaguely. Number 12, ineligible. His grades made him ineligible for sports. Ineligible. Number 13, admirable. His kindness was admirable. Number 14, immediately. He immediately forgot his gym shoes. Immediately. Number 15, positively. She answered all of the questions positively. Number 16, noticeable. His hat made him noticeable. Number 17, fortunately. Fortunately, we have Zoom to do class. Fortunately. Number 18, necessarily. You do not necessarily have to write 30 spelling sentences. Necessarily. Number 19, unacceptable. It is unacceptable to hand in your work late. Number 20, disagreeable. Sometimes my students are disagreeable. Disagreeable. Let me move my thing down here for a second. Reappearance. He made the reappearance at the show. Reappearance. (22) Disappointment. The disappointment on their face made him sad. Disappointment. Number 22, thoughtlessness. His thoughtlessness hurt many people. Thoughtlessness. 23, surname. What was her surname? 24, alliance. They made an alliance to tackle the problems. Alliance. 25, requirement. He made the requirement that it must be handed in by Friday. Requirement. Adventuresome. His friends were very adventuresome. 27. Unemotional. He was unemotional at the graduation. 28. Extremely. He was extremely happy for summer to begin. Extremely. Gauge. 29 is gauge. He looked at the water gauge before he jumped in with his kayak. Gauge. And the last word, gnarled. The old tree was twisted and gnarled. Gnarled.